In this video, I would like to show you how to add a rubric to an assignment in order to do your grading inside of Schoology's gradebook. To begin, you need to be inside your resource folder and then select the folder or class that you would like to work within. So here you can see I've already built a rubric, and now I want to create an assignment. So I'm going to add an assignment and title it. So drawing 1, week 1, drawing. Now I could add a description if I so wanted, or add a image of an assignment if I already have one, in which case you could do insert content and you could do a picture. You could also update by adding a link to something if you would like. I can show you how to do that later, but I wanted to show you how to add your rubric. You could total out the points and just, total it in if that's what you would like to do, but I find a rubric easy to grade and easy for students to understand why they're receiving their grades. So I could create a brand new one straight here for this assignment, or I can just copy one from my resources. So I'm going to go to Professional Development, click on my Drawing 1 rubric, and copy. And there you can see all of the learning objectives that I will grade on, and my points have been added. So I'm just going to click Submit, and now I have an assignment, and I am free to add this to a class as soon as I'm ready.